What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we got something very special. Got the first homemade dish. This is called Picadillo. You see? It's ground beef with some potatoes, with some carrots, some peas, within like a chipotle, onion, garlic sauce, and then you add it with some water. The simplest way I could explain it is like, I guess like an American chili. Like if I say that, like I don't think like my fiance wouldn't like that, but I say it's like that because I feel like I could put it on like a hot dog. They put it on quesadillas. You just eat it like this with a tortilla. Here I got it with some like a rice pilaf with some onions and garlic in the rice. And yeah, very simple, but oh man, it's so good. It's so good. That's why I've never done this before, but I got some lime and salt Fritos. I mean, it's carrots, onions, peas, potatoes. Normally, you eat it with the tortilla. And you just roll it up. It's so good. This is one of the first dishes my fiance ever made for me. And just the moment I tasted it, it just hits me right here. Like, it's made with love, man. Made with care. And that's like the best food, you know? I got some crema for this Frito thing to see. Like if I had any shredded cheese, I would probably put it on here too. And some agua de Jamaica, hibiscus water. It's so simple to make. Like, while making it, I was able to record a little clip by clip to show how it's made. And this tortilla is a little bit old, but just the rice in here and Perfect meal, just if you have a microwave at school, at your job, that's all you need, nothing else. Let's try this Frito thing. I honestly think it would go good on with like French fries. It's almost like one of those American like Frito pies. Have I just baked this a little bit, put some cheese on top? That's the thing, I don't have any cheese. Or like any of the fake nacho cheese. Wow. Gives it that crunchy texture too, and the creaminess from the crema. I think if you have sour cream, just drop it in here too. Just makes me happy. This is the whole process of making it. Like, you can do it with your friends, your family, your significant other. You don't have a nice time. It's something too crazy. It's hibiscus water too, like, man, like, this is like the concentrated version just mixed with water. It's not even the real one, but it's so good. There's the lime Fritos too. Yeah, the crispiness, really little crema, everything, all the good stuff in one bite. It was your mom. Everything made fresh. That's good. This is what I would bring. Like now that I lived here for a couple of years now, and if we're ever in the US, for like a Super Bowl party and people bringing everything, whatever. And yeah, this is what I would bring easily. My ratio right now of Picadillo to Fritos is a little too high on the Fritos. But it's good. Yeah, well, it's that lime and salt Fritos. All right, well, I think I gotta put more Picadillo on this after the video, but yeah, I'm really glad I was able to show you one of the dishes that is near and dear to my heart, from just the taste and the sentimental meaning and value of it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, eat more Picadillo, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and yeah, peace. Bah.